Okay. The next set of the first set of glasses, wine glasses that I wanted to show you are these right here. These came from Kohl's. And what I liked about these glasses, when I say these glasses are heavy, they are very heavy. I love the X's that are going around the wine glasses. And I do have, I think I have 12 of these. And these were a gift given to me by my mother-in-law. And the reason why the sticker is still on these two is because I've used the other ones like these, but not these. But I just wanted to show you what those look like, and these are just so beautiful. And I also like the design that is on the bottom of the glasses as well. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond76 Home Decor on a Budget. For today's video, I am going to show you my wine glasses and cups that I do use for entertaining for the fall and winter season that is coming up. Well, it's already fall. As well as throughout the year. And I wanted to show you the items that I use, and let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first item that I like to do is take out my bowl. This is my glass bowl that I like to fill with ice, okay? And what I also like to do is, do not judge me because I could not find my silver tongs. I like to use a pair of tongs, and yes, these are pink, okay? No judging. What I like to do is I like to hang my tongs on the side of the bowl, and the reason why is so that when it's filled with ice, people are able to just pick up the ice and drop them in their cups, okay? I don't like people sticking their hands in the ice, okay? So I just would prefer to keep a pair of tongs on the side of the bowl. Now, I did have another pair of tongs. I cannot find them that are not pink, but I do like these because of the rubber that is on the tongs, because I don't want the tongs to be clashing up on the side of the bowl. So, and what I also like to do is I also like to take a towel and hang it on the side of the bowl as well. I won't fill this straight up to the top with ice, okay? But I like to keep a hand towel right here just in case someone may need that to wipe their hands off, or if they accidentally spill something on them while dropping ice in the cup, then I like to have that. Now, for my wine glasses, this wine glass right here, I got these from TJ Maxx. And I really love these wine glasses right here that I got from TJ Maxx, and I think these came in a set of 4. Now, the next wine glasses that I do have, can you guess where I got these from? Guess. These came from one of my favorite stores, and that is IKEA, okay? And when I saw these walking through IKEA, I picked them up, and instantly I fell in love with these glasses because they are a little heavy. Now, what I look for when buying wine glasses is that I look for the thickness around the rim of the glasses, and the reason why is if the rim around the glasses is too thin, when you stick your hand in to wash them, like if you take a sponge and you're trying to rinse them out and not stick them in the dishwasher, they will crack and they will break. I don't know if you can see the differences in the thickness of the one on the right from IKEA and the one on the left from TJ Maxx. The only thing is that the one from IKEA is about it's a little bit shorter, and the one from TJ Maxx is a little bit taller. Okay, this one is wider, this one is more taller than this one right here. Okay, now the next wine glasses that I do have are these right here. These I will use for margaritas. I will also use for daiquiris as well. And what I like about these is because they're mainly for me. And the reason why is because I don't drink a lot, and I don't want a tall glass of margarita that I know I don't want to drink, because I want to make sure that I have a clear head, but also be able to have fun during and throughout my event, or just having someone over. I don't drink to get drunk. That's something that I do not do. I want to drink to enjoy myself, and that is about it. And that's the reason why I like these little small glasses right here. I just thought they were absolutely perfect. Now, if I'm drinking wine, I'll fill it to like right here, okay? Even if someone comes over and I'm having something, I still don't fill the glasses up here. I fill them to right here, and I fill the glasses. If someone wants something else to drink, then I would pour it, because like I tell them, when they come through the door, you're not coming to my house to get drunk, and I'm not gonna allow that. So the next cup that I do have is these two right here. This one can be for water. This one can be for sweet tea, or anything that anyone would prefer to drink, because you do have people that do not drink. Okay, and you want to be accommodating to those that don't. Now this cup right here is for those that want something a little bit stronger again. And again, I'm not gonna let them fill it up to here, fill it up to like right here. Like I said, I want to make sure that my company leaves my home and can be able to get home tactfully. So this right here are for those that want something a little bit stronger, okay? And what I also have is these cups right here, these wine glasses right here. Aren't they beautiful? I think I got these from Pure One. And when I saw these, oh my God, I only bring these out for a special occasion. I just love the design that is going around the wine glass, and I just thought that was absolutely beautiful. And what I also got with those wine glasses, let me move this to the side right here, is the matching tray. You can't tell me that that is not beautiful. I love the fact that the tray is clear, okay? And I love how it just perfectly matches with the wine glass. Now, what I may do sometimes, depending, I may sit the wine glasses right here. If I'm having just something really small, me and a friend, and we get ready to go out to dinner, I may put some finger foods right here, or either some fruit or some cheese right here, so that way when we sit down, we won't have to worry about getting back up, and we just take our wine glasses out and we have our beautiful tray right there. Now, lastly, the next thing that I do have is I do have coffee cups. Now, I do have coffee cups that have writing on them, sayings on them, but those I do not use. Now, this coffee cup, I think I got these from Kohl's or Macy's. I'm thinking Kohl's. And that is so that if someone is here that does not drink, that wants some coffee or tea, I am prepared. You should always be prepared when you have guests, family, and friends over to your home. You know, and it's this coffee cup right here is just, something, to accommodate them as well. Okay, ooh, look, this matches this, okay? I just realized that. Wow, this would be perfect as a centerpiece with these glasses right here. Yes, absolutely. Okay, that is everything that I wanted to go ahead and show you. Okay, I am back really quickly because I wanted to add something into my video that I forgot to. Now, when I'm entertaining, these are my pictures that I do use for entertaining. What I may do is I may fill this up with sweet tea. So that way I will have something for my guests that do not drink, or I will fill this up with water. And this is the second one that I do have, and I think I may have gotten these from, it doesn't even say, I cannot remember. It has to be either Kohl's or it has to be Macy's, okay? Because that is the only place that I would go to get glass, especially this thick. It has to be, because when I get ready to entertain, I love having things with different shapes, so that way it will be a conversation piece for me and my guests. And let me show you the last picture. Now this picture right here may look summer, and that is because I use this picture summer, winter, fall. This is for the children, okay? When we have drinks for the children, the reason why I like this picture right here is because of the stripes that is going around the picture. And I got this, I know, from Kohl's, okay? Because this is Bobby Flay right here. And when the children are here, I want their picture to be distinctly different, so that way they'll know, okay, say for example, one of my grandchildren say, Nana, can I have some more drink, whatever it is that we do put in here, out of the stripe picture, because I let them know the stripe picture is theirs, okay? So that way they can drink as much as they want to. And these are the 3 pictures that I do have. And I just like, when I entertain, I just like having, you know, different things that are just different, like this one right here, okay? And that's just how I am. But I'm babbling. But let me go ahead and end this video again, and then it's gonna take you back to the ending because I already did it. So I just wanted to cut in because I forgot to show you my pictures really quickly. Okay. My grandbabies are getting ready to come home. And again, my name is Diamond76, Home Decor on a Budget. I hope that you enjoyed my video on my wine glasses and cup that I do use for entertaining. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell for any video uploads or any video notifications. And please join me on my Instagram at Diamond2872. I would love to have you over there. And if you have any comments, please list them in the comment box below. I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I will see you guys in my next video.